Water catchment here. This is the cistern. That's the cistern for the Shirley Heights. Back then, they used to have a flag system. That is how they would raise the flags, like a red flag, to alert the other ports if there was an enemy ship coming in. They would raise a pole, and the pole was stationed at the blockhouse. That is what I didn't tell you. They would raise a flagpole. Alright guys, this is the guardhouse, built in the year 1791, like I told you, but it's now a restaurant. And this is the uniform that the guys used to wear back then. That is why they said Sir Lord Nelson, he didn't like the island of Antigua too much because of the heavy clothing that they had to wear, and because it was hot, and he said it was infested with mosquitoes. So he didn't write. That is why he spent most of the time on his ship. Okay. All these pin cushions, grandmother's pin cushions. That is the name of the captain. He come into Venezuela with my channel friend here, and he found Alright guys, come right up. Take a look up. Take a look at this. Ow. Alright guys, come on over. You're now overlooking the Nelson's Dockyard, and there were two forts. That's Fort Berkeley over there, and there was another fort called Fort Charlotte. And the thing is, these two forts, they had a big chain between them. So any enemy ships that made their way up, they would raise the chain and destroy the ships. Right? And this is why this area was chosen, because you can see it's an interlock harbor. One from out there, you cannot see inside here. You don't see the ships. And it was easier, so like rather than taking a long trip to England, they would come here and clean the bottom of the ships, and you learn more about that as you go down to the Nelson's Dockyard. They will tell you more about the cleaning and the cleaning of the bottom of the ships. Okay, this is the Galleon Beach, right here, Galleon Beach. Yep. And over there is Falmouth, and it's separated, right here, English Harbour, Falmouth Harbour.
Come right down, right here.
Okay.
Let me ask you, when Princess Margaret was honeymoon, she overlooked this.
Yeah, she stayed.
She stayed at the.
She stayed. We can't see it right
at the Governor
now.
General's.
The Governor General's house. We'll be passing it as we go down.
Yeah.
It's called Clarence House.
Yeah, because at one time it used to be open.
Yeah, it was open, but it got damaged in the hurricane. But then it was under repairs for a very long time.
Yeah.
But it was reopened by Prince Harry just about a year ago.
It was? Oh,
Yeah,
that's
he
good.
came down and he reopened the Clarence House.
Oh.
So it is now going to be turned into a museum.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, we'll be passing it as we go back down the hill. I'll be pointing it out to you. And Eric Clapton used to live on this side.
Yeah.
One of his houses down the top. He used to live there. I don't know exactly which one is it, but it got too crowded here for him. So he moved over to the other side where he is now.
Because I've been coming here a long time.
Okay, that's pretty good. You guys going to repeat?
Yeah.
Alright guys, you guys can meet me back at the bus in about 8 minutes or so. Support the vendors. Whose house is that there? Oh, that I'm not sure.